You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English, both British English and American English pronunciation. This is the name of a bird. If you want to learn more animal names that can be a bit confusing, make sure to stay tuned. Yes, in English, the pronunciation is as egret, not egret, egret. The stress is on the first syllable here. It's easy once you know egret. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.